Hi there, students. To overturn as a verb, or overturned as an adjective. So literally to turn something over. The rioters overturned some cars and then set them alight. The car came off the road, hit a rock and overturned. I overturned my glass by accident. I knocked it and it overturned. There was a lorry that had on the motorway that had an accident and overturned, and there were pens all over the road. Okay, so to overturn, literally to turn over. To turn something so that it's upside down. If a boat overturns, it capsizes. Now we can also use this verb to overturn, meaning to invalidate, to reverse a decision, to reverse a system, to reverse a situation. So the appeal court overturned the result of the initial case. So initially I was found guilty by the judge, but I appealed and that guilty verdict was overturned. Okay, so it was changed. Yeah. To overturn a previous finding, to change a legal decision. So the Court of Appeal overturned the earlier judge's decision. Okay, so to invalidate, to reverse a decision. I told the client that this was all right, but my boss overturned my my decision. So the court overturned a previous ruling. I said that this was okay, but this decision was overturned by my company. Okay, so to overturn, to reverse a decision, to overrule a decision. I said it was okay, but I was overturned. And we also use this in elections, to overturn a majority. This is normally British English. Previously this was a safe Labour constituency. It was a safe Labour seat, but the Conservatives overturned a majority of 17,000. To overturn a majority in an election, you defeat somebody in an election. So I'm pretty sure that there was a by-election recently where a previous majority was overturned. So to turn over, to cause something to turn over. I overturned my plate and I got spaghetti bolognese all down my front. To overturn a decision, to overturn a judgment, to change a decision, where a court changes a decision so the decision is no longer in effect. I've also seen this word used talking about to overturn a regime. The regime was overturned. There was a revolution which overturned the dictator, although I would probably prefer in this case to overthrow, but you could use overturn in this context. Okay, so to overturn, to capsize, to overturn, to overthrow or to destroy. So the ruling the ruling party was overturned, overthrown probably better. To reverse a decision, to rescind a decision, to overturn a decision. Okay, so overturn. If somebody in authority overturns a legal decision, they officially decide that it's not valid, that it's not correct, that it's no longer, it's not right. And the boat overturned and threw everybody into the water. So, formality, to overturn. A lorry overturned. 5 in formality, use anywhere. To overturn a majority. Maybe 6 in formality, but use anywhere. To overturn a decision. 6 in formality, but use anywhere. And yeah, the origin, to turn over, overturn. So, over